Good afternoon, dear students of class 8C of Kendriya Vidyalaya DGQ A. This is myself Ganga, Keshika, Kirtivarsha, Mukhila.
I am EGS, our group leader to explain this project. So this is the front cover that we have made in A4 size chart paper. Here we have pasted art integrated project. This reminds you of Indian flag, right? Yes. So here we have. Here we have written the names of our group members. This is a teamwork. Not only one has performed this. Do you also believe in teamwork? Because teamwork means being united and being cooperative. So our team consists of Keshika, Ganga, myself Kirtivarsha and Mukhila. So let's open this. This is submitted to Mrs. Nanni Madam, our social science teacher. So the topic is agriculture and farming on West Bengal, and this is for class 8. So this is acknowledgement. Here I want to acknowledge my social science teacher Mrs. Nanni Madam and Mrs. Valarpati principal ma'am and all the teachers who helped me throughout this project. This certificate is to certify that our group has completed art integrated project on the topic agriculture and farming on West Bengal. So this is index in the form of a shirt. If we will open the shirt, you can see the index. So this is about agriculture. We have given a small introduction about agriculture and the agriculture implements used. Here I have written agriculture is a treasure. Do you also believe that agriculture is a treasure?
Yes. Yes.
So this is about importance of agriculture. You can see agriculture is important in various ways such as environment, economy, politics and society. Now this is a door. We have to open this to know something more. So let's open. Here I have written about types of farming in coffee brown paper. You can open this. So this is about explaining about types of farming, and this is a small mind map which recaps you about this. My social science teacher always advises me to make flowcharts and mind maps for better understanding. Another door we have prepared. So from this door, let us enter into the life of Bengalis in farming. So here we have to insert into this bag to get some pictures. Let us see what these pictures are. So this is a picture. Can anyone guess what this plantation is? Yes, this is tea plantation, one of the farms situated in West Bengal. This one? Yes, it is a banana plantation. This is cotton plantation. It is also situated in West Bengal. This is rice cultivation. Bajra. So we have seen the pictures of the farm situated in West Bengal, but we have to know more about these plantations, right? So if you want to know about any of these, you can open and you can know. This is about tea, this is about wheat, this is about rice, this is about banana plantation, this is about maize, this is about coffee. You can see this map of West Bengal where we have stick some things. For example, if cotton I have stick here, it means that cotton is grown in this particular place of West Bengal. Cotton is grown in Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal. Black rice is grown in Purula and wheat is grown in Medinipur rice is grown in Burdaman, tea is grown in Terai, and coffee is grown in Darjeeling. So now let us enter into history. We are going to see some tribes who practiced agriculture. So you can pull this to see the tribes. Mundas, Santals, Gonds and Orions. So some pictures also we have stick of the tribal people. We have completed this project. We will open this for a short summary. This is a summary which teaches us the lesson that we have to save agriculture for future generation. One more quote I want to share it with you. Nurture the roots, save agriculture's fruits. It is about bibliography. It means whatever information we have taken from this following websites. Like we have taken information from YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Chrome and Wikipedia. Our creativity. A warm thank you to one and all who is seeing this video. I hope you would have liked this project.
Thank you. Very great effort. I think it is a very nice project, right? Do you agree? Yes, ma'am. Wonderful team effort, wonderful work. Credit goes to Group 3. Well done.